How to hide notes on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to hide notes on Messenger. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Messenger application on your device and then sign into your account. In order to hide your own notes on Messenger, select the Your Note icon at top left corner of the screen and simply share a thought. Once you do that, you can add music as well as the picture on this note. Now, select Change Audience at bottom of this note, and here you can select Custom and then choose who can see your notes. Here you can easily choose your own ID so that it will be hidden from everyone on Messenger. So let's tap on the search icon and search for our own ID. Once you select, tap Apply button at top right corner of the screen and select Save button. Now, only my another ID will be visible about this note. And in order to hide the notes of the particular users on Messenger, simply you have to tap and hold the conversation at top of the screen, whoever have added a note, and tap Hide Contact. Now tap on Hide button. So this will no longer be listed in your suggested contact and notes will be hidden. They won't be notified that they have been hidden. They can be unhidden anytime from the privacy setting. So let's tap hide and the notes will be hidden from the notes section at top of the screen. So that is how we can easily hide notes on Messenger. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.